This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Katie Burke. Welcome to this stunning ranch home located in the beautiful Pine Meadows neighborhood. This home boasts an open floor plan that is perfect for entertaining and enjoying time with family and friends. The kitchen is a chef's dream with stunning granite countertops that provide ample space for meal preparation. The bamboo floors installed in 2021 add a touch of elegance to the home and are sure to impress all who enter. The new roof installed in Sept 2022 provides peace of mind and protection for years to come, while the new windows installed in 2021 ensure energy efficiency and comfort. The primary bathroom features a newer shower that is so large you could have a party in it. The fully fenced-in yard is perfect for playing and pets, while the great patio and pergola provide shade and the perfect spot for outdoor entertaining. Cozy up on chilly nights inside with the stone mantle that surrounds the wood-burning or gas fireplace. This home is a gem. VA assumption at a low rate. For more information, review the details below or contact Katie Burke at 757-403-0911.